In this tutorial, I show you how to create a cartoon monster in Adobe Illustrator. These are the colors and I will put them in the description section. The first step is creating the head of the monster. I grab the ellipse tool and holding Alt and Shift, I create a symmetrical ellipse. Then I click the selection tool, select the ellipse and I press the I button in the keyboard and select this color for the head. Again I click the circle and Ctrl C, Ctrl F. This is the shortcut for create a duplicate of the ellipse. And I scale down the ellipse. Again I click the eyedropper tool and click this white color. Again I duplicate the shape by clicking Ctrl C, Ctrl F. I press the I in the keyboard and select this color for the eyeball. Again I duplicate this circle by Ctrl C, Ctrl F and holding only Shift, I scale down the ellipse and press the I and select this white color for the reflection of the eye. There is another way to duplicate objects. You can click the object and hold Alt and drag like this. And I again scale down this small ellipse. Then I click the selection tool and select all and holding Alt and Shift, I scale down. The next part of this tutorial is drawing the body of this monster. For that I use the same technique. I click this ellipse tool and draw a ellipse like this. Then I go to Effect, Work, select Arc Upper option and adjust these settings. I believe this is okay. And I press the I in the keyboard and select this color for the body. And I grab the selection tool and click the body, holding Ctrl Shift and left bracket, I send it back to the eye. Now you can see our body is created. Next step is creating his legs. Then I grab the pen tool, I click here and again another click and holding Shift, I click again. Then I Then I swap this fill color to the stroke. Then I increase this stroke value. I think this is okay, and clear this round cap option. Then I grab the direction tool, click this anchor point, and adjust this like this. I think it's okay. I believe the upper parts of this leg should be a little bit bigger, so I click this width tool and select this upper anchor point and grab this slider. I think this is okay. Then we need to reflect this leg to the other side. We can do this by clicking this leg and go to reflect tool, holding Alt, clicking this artboard, and you can see our leg is duplicated. We can click this copy option. Next part is creating the mouth of the monster. For that I click this ellipse tool and draw a circle like this, and pressing the I on the keyboard, and I select this color for the mouth. We get this circle here and go to effect, work, and I select this arc option. You can adjust these sliders. I think this is okay, and I click the OK. Then I click this mouth and go to object, expand appearance. The next part is creating the teeth of this monster. I grab the pen tool and draw a triangle like this. I click it and select the white color from the swatches. I scale up this teeth, and I need to reflect this for this other side. For that I press reflect tool, holding Alt, and click here, and click this vertical option and copy. Then I click this both teeth and Ctrl G. Now both teeth are grouped. Then I click this teeth and mouth. Again I click this mouth and click this horizontal align center. Now you can see our teeth are aligned perfectly to the mouth. After I click this teeth and mouth and click the shape builder tool and cut off this unwanted part of this teeth. Next step is creating this horn of this monster. I grab this pen tool and draw a simple line like this and increase the stroke value to 25. Then I click the selection tool and holding I key of the keyboard and select the same head color. Then I grab the width tool and scale down this upper part of this horn. Then I select this left horn and click this reflect tool and holding Alt, and I click the middle of this head and create a duplicate and click copy. I click all these horns and Ctrl G, group them. Selecting all these horns and click this head and click again. I click horizontal align center. Now horns are perfectly aligned horizontally for this head. I think we need to change this leg color. I select these legs and select this green color. Holding both legs, Ctrl Shift and left bracket, I send them all to back. I think we need to scale down these eyes. I select these eyes except the body and scale down the eye. I select this all illustration and press Ctrl G, horizontal align center, vertical align center. Now you can see our master is perfectly aligned to this artboard. For the background, click the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle and click this color. Holding Ctrl Shift and left bracket, send them all to black. And we need to add the shadow for this master. I click this ellipse tool and draw ellipse like this, and I grab the Adobe tool and click this color for this shadow. Holding Ctrl and left bracket, I send them to black. Now you can see our master illustration is completed.